Hi, welcome to Joe's Budget Cooking Classes. Food is expensive these days, but I'll show you how to cook healthy, tasty meals that don't cost much money. Most of my recipes are very easy to prepare and they cost around 10 Rand per person. While I'm cooking, I'm going to share with you a lot of ideas on how to eat well, healthy, and save money. So come into my kitchen and let's start cooking. Today we are cooking pap, and to feed one person we need 200 grams of mealie meal, 1 cup of water. 200 grams of mealie meal will cost you 2 Rand, and we need half a sachet of minestrone soup, which costs you 2.50 Rand. So for this whole meal it will cost us 4.50 Rand. Let's start cooking. Remember to wash your hands with soap all the time before you make any food. We need a cup of boiling water, and as well remember to boil your water in a kettle to save electricity. We will need to stir all the time while you are pouring your mealie meal. We are using the minestrone, but you can use the beef flavor as well, or you can use the chicken flavor. Mix your pap until it's well mixed. My stove goes up to 4, so I'm cooking my pap slowly for 10 minutes at 2. Remember to keep checking your pap every 2 minutes and stirring it as well. After 10 minutes, our pap should be looking very good now. It's nice and almost well done. Let's introduce our soup. We need half a cup of water, warm water, then add half a packet of the minestrone. Stir it well, then we add it to our pap. I know some people might think, no Joe, it's not the right way of making pap, but as I said, I'm giving you new ideas on how to make pap, and I gave it to my family when we were doing the trials and they actually loved it. Try it as well. You will definitely love the idea. I love that it gives the pap the vegetable flavor and it gives it the color as well. Leave it for the next coming 5 minutes, then you can save. After 5 minutes, our pap is nice and ready to save. Let's mix it a little bit and let's bring it to save. It's nice and colorful, and it has got a nice flavor as well. Let's taste it. I like the vegetable flavor as well on the pap. Wow, it tastes very delicious and different as well. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the bottom. Until next time, stay safe.